Recently, I have been getting a lot of questions about how to source products from Alibaba with only $5,000 on hand to start the private label business on Amazon. Now, if you have the same questions going on your mind, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm gonna unfold the whole idea of how to start a private label business from scratch with only $5,000 on hand. So if you have around $5,000 to invest, you can start right away. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you need to find the products from Alibaba. So now you need to search on the search bar with the perfect niche, or you can also use the image search. So in that way, you can find the suppliers who are offering the same items or maybe similar items. So in that case, you need to open those supplier, consider those supplier that are verified by Alibaba and also that are selling on Alibaba for a long time. You can see those icons when you will search. So select the perfect product based on the suppliers, ratings, reviews, and authentication. So now you find a lot of suppliers who are selling the items. So now you need to decide from which suppliers you will buy the item. So now you find few suppliers who are selling the same items that you want to start your private label business on Amazon. So now you need to find out from which suppliers, you need to select from which suppliers you will purchase the item. To do that, you need to find out and you need to go through few criteria that everyone does. So first of all, you need to find out which suppliers is providing you the best price and which suppliers is providing you the best shipping time, and also which suppliers are providing you best return policies. And based on that, you need to also consider the product quality, because when you are purchasing some items for your business, you will sell these items to a customer. So when a customer will purchase the item, they always demand good quality products. So talk with your suppliers who are providing you the best quality, go with them. I will definitely ensure you that your business will rock. So now you've gone through the criteria and you know which products you will purchase. So in that case, now you need to select the carriers. So for carrier information, you can use the 3PL carriers or you can use their own suppliers' own carriers. So here you can see the two wings, one where suppliers will ship your item and another one where you will select a carrier, supplier will dispatch the item to the carrier and carrier will send the item to Amazon FBA. So now you need to find out which option will be cost effective and also time efficient. So when you will see that the suppliers is providing you a good margin for shipping, then you don't need to go to the 3PL like carriers who are only shipping items to Amazon FBA. And when suppliers is demanding a huge amount of item for shipping the item to Amazon FBA, then you can go for a authorized or unauthorized 3PL providers who are providing you the carrier services. So now you selected your carrier. Maybe it could be your supplier own self, or maybe it is another company which is only providing carrier services. So to ship the item to Amazon FBA, you need to provide the supplier or maybe the carrier a few information. So to ship the item to China to Amazon FBA, your supplier or maybe your carrier must provide few important information so that you can create the shipment from the Amazon Seller Central backend. Like you need to know the carrier contact information, carrier email address, carrier's contact person name, carrier ship start date, ship end date, total duration of the shipment time, and also the box dimension, which is very important. You need to input those information in the Amazon backend. So that's the important information that you need from these carriers to create the Amazon FBA shipments. So that's all how you can source items from Alibaba to Amazon FBA. And with this process, you can sort your supplier, you can sort your carrier, and you can find out the best product to sell on in your next Amazon FBA shipment. So in the next videos, we will also show you how to create the shipment so that it could be far better, easier to you. So with that hope, I'm signing off today. And we have bunch of cool stuffs like this on our YouTube channel and also in our website, which is ecomclips.com. If you want to know more about e-commerce, then please visit our website or check out our videos, and don't forget to subscribe. We are a full service e-commerce agency who are providing A to Z solution for your e-commerce business from last 10 years. We also have 300 plus e-commerce experts who are helping and managing thousands of bestseller products from worldwide. So why delay? Book a same day free consultation with us and we will be happy to assist you. See you in the next video. Peace.